it's Lynette and I have the latest Asos beauty box for December. But it's a good one, I'm going to show you inside. So this box costs £12 plus postage and packaging. However, if you're with Asos and you know that you're going to be getting kind of quite a few deliveries a year, you can take on their yearly postage, which is £9.99 I think, but that guarantees you getting next day delivery as well. And you can also use the box, you can also use the postage to send things to a friend. So it works out really well if you've got like long distance presents you want to send. You can just actually send them directly and save yourself getting them and then posting them and what have you. So as always, there's the card, the Go Play card, and what does it say? 2021's best viral beauty hits. So it says beauty was ruled by viral finds, the kind of items that are so fabulous they sell out after one TikTok video and many millions of likes. They're picks that give you sleek hair, glass skin and a sweet scent to help you rival Queen Riri's best smelling celeb status. And this Asos face and body box allows you to finally get your hands on sold out beauty bits from Lush, The Ordinary and more. Take a peek. So, I'm going to open it up and this is what is inside the box. So the first item I see is the Lush Snow Fairy shower gel. So this is 100 grams and this is the shower gel that they bring out at Christmas time. It smells absolutely amazing. I usually do manage to get at least one of these before kind of Christmas. Oh, it smells amazing. So to me, actually, I don't know what it says here. It says candy sweet suds that shimmer like magic that comes but once a year. So there's kind of like little shimmery bits at the bottom. However, if you want to know what this smells like and you've never smelled it before, to me it smells like the foam banana sweeties that you used to get. So yeah, it's lovely. It's got such a lovely smell. So the next item in here is from The Ordinary and it's Cilic 2% mask and it's formulated for blemish prone skins and there's 50ml. So I would probably keep this so you can use it once or twice a week on thoroughly clean dry skin. Do not use on wet skin, so that's really important because quite often I'll cleanse and then I'll put a mask on and my face isn't completely dry, so that's really important to remember that. So you apply it evenly across the face using your fingertips, avoiding your eyes, leave it on for no more than 10 minutes, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. So don't use on any sensitive, peeling or compromised skin. So if you've got any skin, say you've got a really bad kind of outbreak and it's quite painful, I wouldn't use it on that, but I would use it if I had quite a few kind of, you know, the kind of hormone pimples. It says here, sunburn alert, the product contains a beta hydroxy acid BHA that may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun and particularly the possibility of sunburn. Use a sunscreen, wear protective clothing and limit sun exposure while using this product and for a week after. So that's similar to if you were using a retinol, use a sun cream and try and avoid the sun. So I'm just going to open it. So it's 50ml and I will probably pass this on to my son who's kind of struggling a little bit. I've given a Cilic toner, but I think he's kind of struggling a wee bit with his skin. So I will pass this on to him and tell him, you know, he can use this twice a week. So it's a fantastic brand, The Ordinary, and I didn't actually know that this was even a thing. So I was delighted to see that in the box. It says here that the mask gently exfoliates and helps turn the brightness up on your skin, waving goodbye to clogged pores. There you go, it sounds quite good. Apparently it's quite hard to get your hands on this product at the moment. What do we have next? We have the Wonder Wand, handbag friendly styling wand. So there we go there. What does it say here? You know that slick back bun pony everyone is rocking at the moment? Well, the Easy Locks Wonder Wand will help you get there. It's a purse size finishing cream, tames away flyaways for a very sleek finish. So that's what it looks like, and I'm just going to open it up. Ultra sleek style. Oh, so you must kind of like any wee flyaway bits. Now, as you can tell from my hair, I'm not going to be going for any ultra sleek style soon. So there's like a mascara wand. It's got a clear product on it, so you must kind of slick it back and I know I'm going to pass this on to one of my friends who's actually having kind of like wee baby hairs popping up, and sometimes I think she says she feels like Mr. Magoo, so I'll pass it on to her. What else have we got here? Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. There we go. It's always nice to get one of these in the boxes, isn't it? Because it's so expensive. So what does it say here? It's game-changing magic serum. That's all it says. It says, finally, to help you get the glass skin that's all over your socials, use the game-changing magic serum. There we go. So it's just cute little packaging, isn't it? So how do you use that? It doesn't actually tell you, but it's just for younger looking skin. So I imagine it'll be somewhere on the back. Massage a few drops into clean skin morning and evening before your magic moisturiser. So that would just take place of any kind of regular serum that you're using. So that's cool. Be quite a good size if you were going away for a wee bit, wouldn't you? Wouldn't it? So last but not least, there is a Ciate Glow 2 highlighter. I love the packaging. Yeah, it's just see me on the camera and my TV suddenly just got louder. So I apologise if you can hear that. So this says not for resale, so it must be a sample or kind of a giveaway type product. It says this was £12, but it said you saved 73%, so my maths is rubbish. I don't know how much you saved, but I think this is like, is that £6 or £8? Which is quite a lot, but it's lovely. I do like it. It's a nice sweet treat, and I love my shower gel, so I don't mind paying a wee bit more now and again. Oh, I'm breaking all this cardboard. So this is it here, the little pink packaging, which is really sweet and cute. Cruelty-free bunny on there, and there we go. Gorgeous little highlighter. So I'm going to pop some of this. Oh, it's lovely. I don't know if you can see that. No, you can't. I think you can barely just see that. So I'll pop it on my finger there. You see it there? So that's lovely, isn't it? Really pretty. Pop some on my nose. Don't really need to highlight my big nose. So anyway, for £12, plus your postage and packaging, if you're paying for it, you get the ordinary salicylic acid mask, you get the Lush Snow Fairy, you get the Wonder Wand, you get the Charlotte Tilbury Serum, which looks lovely, and you get the Ciate highlighter. So for a wee while I was kind of, I wouldn't be using, I'd be trying to, you know, concentrate on finishing up products, but I don't mind now adding in new products because I don't have too many highlighters left. I've given lots of the new ones away, so I'm kind of really happy to add that into my collection. So I think that was really good money for £12, you know, considering that's kind of just a bit more than half the price of the box, and then so you've got everything else. So I hope you managed to get your hands on this. They sell out really quickly, which is such a shame, and I think, you know, the draw might have been the Lush and the Ordinary. So I do hope you managed to get hold of it if you wanted to get the box, but yeah, I think they sell out really quickly, and I hope that's something they change in the new year's, kind of make more of the boxes available. You can only go in and order one at a time, which is really good. I don't think it stops you going in and ordering then another one and another one, but you can't put more than one in your basket, so you then need to go and rejoin the queue if you wanted to buy more. But as I say, if you manage to get your hand on it, this would be an absolutely fantastic little stocking filler as well, because there's so many good products. However, I'm going to give the mask to my son, the Wonder Wand to my friend, so I'll keep the other 3 items. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It's okay. Something's just kind of caught at the back of my throat there as I was speaking. I hope you have a lovely Christmas. I'm not sure what video I'll be posting next, but if I don't see you before, I probably will see you before. But if I don't see you before, I hope you have a lovely time, and that you get some time to just kind of be off, be peaceful, be quiet, you know, have a wild time, do whatever it is you're planning on doing. But stay safe, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye, guys.